Ask him how much it is.
Huh?
I think it said Angry Birds. Yeah, it was just the Angry Birds. There, got 127. So it was just that. It was just these.
There's no prices.
That's their what?
There's no prices. Because Toy Stories.
Are they? Oh, I'm blue. You can get it. Is that all three of them? No, that's two.
Well, there's the DVD.
Do you have a DVDs from them or no?
I know.
Seems like it'd be a fair.
But like, I would like this one of these. And Home Alone.
How did it go?
Streaming easily.
All set? Yes. All the yes here, I would say $20.
Art supplies. Is like glue in here.
I don't know if the hit is low or.
Just ask me, I wanted to go.
She wants me to go.
Yeah, take them with you.
Give him 30.
It's Disney.
Yeah, I can help you out with that. Here. Come up here. Okay, record, take on trip. Down to the house.
How much are you asking on these ones?
What did Daddy say? Do you remember? When my husband gets
Okay.
back at the fridge, I'll
Okay.
remember what he said. Is that for you or her?
Us.
Aw,
Been looking for them, so.
he never used it. The things you plug
Yeah,
in,
that's what I noticed
they're
they were in there.
I was looking all over the place yesterday
I know they're so
for
small and
them.
they're so easy to lose.
I kept telling him, don't let me lose them, don't let me
I
lose
know. A
them.
lot of people do lose them because
Yeah.
they are so small.
Yeah. He's coming.
That's fine.
Oh, you shouldn't have opened this. Yeah. Mark, how much for Guitar Hero?
Huh? For the Guitar Hero, what you guys know better than me.
Like
What-
150? I think that was
You know what?
like 150.
I would have said 20, so that's where I don't know
No,
video games yet.
150.
150?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I'll pass.
Oh, you guys would have been so upset.
Mark, here you go.
Screws and a little horn.
$3? $3.
Oh, you saw the game?
So you want to look at any of the videos?
What?
You want to look at any of the videos?
Here?
Yeah.
How much do you want for the cooler, Mark?
Cooler, $20.
Yeah, there's two there's two Buffalo Expresses.
Okay.
There's 3 Harry Potters.
About $3.
And there's a blue.
Thank you very much.
How much you asking on these ones?
Oh, Linda, how much for these?
Oh,
You know those are what you bought.
yeah, they didn't agree with me.
Oh, really?
Those are not open. I
Okay.
never
You didn't
opened
want
them.
3 of the games.
Okay.
Four of them.
Are you buying
Are you?
all of
There's no way you can go any lower on those.
So that
What did we end up saying? 150?
$100, okay. $100 for all the Pokemon cards?
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, I'd take everything for 75.
Probably not.
I do these and those for 75.
That's fine.
That work?
Yeah,
Okay.
that'll work.
Do you want that keychain too? Okay, and the keychain, I guess.
Oh, we'll throw that in.
Where's that from? Leaving this yard sale now. Yinzer Kid filmed the time we were there. It was a little bit different. It was packed when we got there, especially I guess when they opened. It looks like we missed out on a ton of Nintendo DS games, but I did pick up Xbox One, Guitar Hero Live, CD, and 2 guitars. I asked them how much they were asking, how much they wanted, and they wanted $150 for all 3. And I mean, that's kind of what they're going for online. So I put them down, thought about it, and then I also found the Strontium Boost dietary supplements. It's for bone building. It's a bone building program. I found 4 packs of these, four jars of these, brand new, never been opened, and I scanned them, and they're going for anywhere from $25 to $86 a bottle. I asked them how much, thinking, man, they're probably gonna want $50 a bottle. She's like, take all 4 for 20. So I got all 4 of those, all these for $20, and I said, I'll take the Guitar Hero and these for $75. So I basically got the Guitar Hero for what, $50? $55 I picked it up for. So I should be able to at least I'll probably list those for about $135 for the guitars and the Guitar Hero. So I think something like that, but I'll do a little bit more research at home. They do work. She said they actually never even played with them, so they're pretty much brand new. They look really good shape. So pretty good haul at the first yard sale, garage sale, moving sale, whatever they want to call it this time. But no, I'm very happy with this pickup. Not too much stuff. Hit that subscribe button down below, hit that like button, hit that bell notification so you're notified when our videos come out. We'll see you at the next video, guys. Bye.